is your car not scrape coming in here? It does. It has to.
I don't think it has power brakes. This brake pedal is so fucking stiff.
Oh, I love it. Shit! Wait, still. It smells like a 240 for sure.
Oh yeah.
It smells like an import. Nothing better than a turbo car, dude. It feels pretty good.
I think it does.
Yeah.
For fucking 200 horsepower.
Yeah. So what's all done to the engine and stuff? Turbo and everything?
Stock.
Completely stock turbo SR?
It has, yeah, it's completely stock turbo SR, but it has downpipe and full exhaust. And as far as I know, that's it.
Why don't you do like a little turbo upgrade before you get it tuned?
I might. Maybe like get like an S15 turbo or something.
Yeah. Just something even just a little bit more.
Yeah, a stock upgrade.
Yeah.
Look in that box in the door. Tell me those aren't new injectors. I don't know if they're SR injectors, but I just found them.
Yeah. They're new. I don't know what they're for, but they're new. Car feels really solid though, man. I can't believe you never drove this car.
I don't think it feels that bad. Like, compared to what you drove or rode in my GTO the other day, I think it feels just about the same, like stiffness-wise.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel bad at all.
No, that feels great. Last 240 I drove was an LS one.
It's gonna be a little bit different.
I remember riding in the SR 240 though. That made 478. It smells like a 240. And this smells just like my dad's old 240, dude. Every time we got in, it's like, it smells like a little bit of burning, a little bit of everything. It's just like, but the motherfucker ran like a motherfucker. It ran so good.
You a long-legged motherfucker. What the fuck is this word coming from? Where the fuck is this?
I sit up so fucking high. That side I sit a lot lower in, but this side I sit up so high for some reason.
Yeah, I think this is an S13 seat. I think that's an S14 seat. So
I sit up way higher than
I
this
don't think
side.
it's meant to be in here. Yeah, this seat's
I can't see
honestly.
this manoeuvre. What are they doing here, bro? Shit. Definitely some manual fucking brakes.
Dude, right? They're stiff as fuck.
Oh, God. Why are they that stiff? That's
don't know.
crazy stiff, bro.
Like, they still work, but you just gotta,
I know, but in like
rest.
drift, you're gonna want to like a way softer pedal. Like, that's gonna be so hard to do.
That's
When
right.
you're drifting.
That's
So
what
you get up on somebody's door, you gotta ride your brake too.
Yeah, exactly.
To keep distance.
Yeah.
And you don't want to be pushing.
Yeah,
so hard.
pushing, like, slamming on it.
Yeah, you have to slam on it. It'd just be hard if you're like in drift trying to like really.
Yeah,
handle
trying to,
somebody.
like, get up on somebody.
Yeah. This car's nowhere near as dirty as my 846. I feel like.
That's nowhere what?
I don't feel like it's as dirty as my 846. Like it feels smooth. Which I mean, this is a smooth road. Like
Yeah,
college
this
hill.
isn't, like, too bad of a road.
I mean, like the 846 might be fine on this road, but like on college
That
hill.
just got a crack right there, but I mean, like, for the most part, it's pretty solid.
Yeah, it is.
It's a clean car.
Yeah, I love it, man. Hey, bars are kind of high for idle.
I know, I was thinking that too. When I'm getting on it, it's pretty normal, but idle is really high.
What's
tornadoes in here. I gotta put that fucking shit in the trunk.
Oh, it's so bad. We're right on that edge, bro. Yes, sir.
Woo, boy, you can drive. All right, teach me some shit. God, here comes.
I was gonna say, I was like, as soon as you did that, I was like, oh, it's gonna rub like a mother. It rubbed with me bad right there. I don't want to.
Yeah, understand. I've never drifted ever before, so I have to like literally start with the basics. I need to start with like a controlled donut and actually be able to control it.
Yeah. I mean, once you just use first and just control a donut, you're good. Throttle.
Yeah, see, I don't want to spin it. I want to actually control it.
Yeah. Too much throttle.
Fuck.
There you go.
Nice.
Heck yeah. Hell yeah. There you go. Perfect. There you go. Hell yeah. That was good. That was really good. That was really good, bro.
Thank you.
All the peanuts in the ground.
Fucking everywhere. I bet there's a trail all the way back to my house. Oh shit.
You can still kind of faintly see the marks where I went, but
Yeah.
I had one that got all the way up on that bank.
Yeah, dude, you can fucking drive because, like, again, I have no experience drifting, and just seeing you fucking hug that corner, and you literally are just like, yeah, we're right on the edge, and you're talking to me while you're doing it.
I was just holding it one-handed. That was great.
That's my second time ever.
The minute you said you were coming up the mountain, I knew exactly.
Yeah, it's a fucking drift car.
It's the same thing about that, bro. Yeah, I want to drive it, but I don't want to drift it. I don't trust myself doing that shit yet.
I let Jackson drive it. He drifted it. He was fucking.
Oh, that's so weird. 90s car.
Dude, right?
Where's the seatbelt?
It's down here. There isn't one in the floor, so you don't have a lap belt, but you do have a cross
So
one.
this goes like this?
Yeah. Holy shit. This is the lap belt. I just got to put it down.
It smells like burnt rubber in here, boy. Oh shit, this thing sounds nice. Oh, yeah!
It's fun just to cruise around and.
I think you're rubbing over here a little bit.
Oh, it rubs hard. Hard.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
That well it did.
It rubs a lot. I haven't been drifting in a while, so I forgot the feel. Jesus Christ. Oh, is it the curve? Holy shit. Oh, shit. I don't know where my phone went. Oh, well. Oh, dude, the G's. God, I'm choking on smoke now.
That's the thing, is like, I've never done a controlled donut like that before.
Yeah.
Like, we literally just got here 30
Like
minutes
in
ago.
the GTO.
Never.
Yeah.
I've literally just like clutch kicked and just like spun, you
Yeah.
know? But like I was actually having control over it right there. I've never done that.
I'm shaking.
Yeah, it's
The
fucking
adrenaline.
fun, dude.
It's like a mix of fuck yeah and then
Oh god, yeah.
yeah.
You wanna drive it?
Yeah, if you want me to.
Drive it back.
Oh!
No, you don't do anything.
Oh, I don't?
Yeah,
Wait,
you
what?
leave it in. Just open the door.
Just open the door. God, I'm fucking shaking. Holy fuck, that's far back. Okay.
Just get the seat up.
Where's the... God damn it.
There's a thing right here. I'll push you. There you go.
Okay. Holy shit.
Okay, easy, Tiger.
It really needs an alignment. I can feel it's just...
That's all camper. It has an alignment